guys don't watch TV with you, Justin?
Stella, I think I'm kind of bored a little bit. I'm just gonna watch the news.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for your entire area. Please take cover and lock all doors and go to the lowest floor of your home. Please don't die from the tornado.
Hey, Justin, do you want to run that tornado? Soldier, you do realize that tornado is violent and dangerous. It will kill you entirely. Come on, soldier, we need to take cover right now. Nah, I don't wanna. Your funeral, buddy. Come on, Justin, what could possibly go wrong? Man, I wonder where the tornado is. Yay! Yay! I'm inside the tornado! Whee-hee! See, soldier? This is why you got hurt from a tornado because you didn't take cover. Just take cover from now on, okay?
So everyone, before we end this episode, here is the lesson what you heard from Justin. Take cover when there is a tornado coming. And go to your basement at your home. Or whatever there is a large dangerous tornado. You need to wear sort of kind of suit and gear and also a helmet. So that's a lesson for today. Peace out.